Alrighty, buddy, we got you up and going. Got your pride fixed too. Your pride is alive. We'll start out and turn this off. Radio drive. Move straight through like we usually do. Straight through SWR, worldwide 0. Input SWR, radio drive, worldwide 0. Here's your radio drive on your 16 field, worldwide. I worked pretty hard on it. I got it done about all I can do. I have had some a little bit hotter, but I've got it done a lot better. Alright, we'll look at our 5,000 watt slug, PP, with your, let's see, let me show you what your box is doing. Your little box is, hello radio drive, radio drive, radio drive, radio drive, radio drive, radio drive. Little box is getting with it. Turn it back on. Look at our 5,000 watt PP. Hello audio, worldwide. 2728 on the bird. On the LP, worldwide. Hello, worldwide, 2900. So we'll turn the little kicker on the radio and reset the deck key so I don't blow nothing up like it's a strike or whatever. Let's see. He does it. Alright. We'll be putting a little more drive into it. We're on 15.5 too, by the way. 5,000 watt slug. Hello audio, worldwide. Hello audio, worldwide. Hello audio, worldwide. Oh, I know what's wrong. I left my mic getting turned down. Scared me to death. Hello audio, worldwide. Hello audio, worldwide. Okay. I left my mic getting turned down. Scared myself when I set the deck key. Let's go back to 5,000 watt. Hello audio, worldwide. So see just a shade under 3 right there, man. Hello audio, worldwide. I've done all I can do besides put new transistors in it. But the only other thing I know to tell you to do. It's built right, it's tuned up right. She's all looking good, man. We'll get her packed up and I'll message you. Appreciate your business, bud. Catch you later. Your friend 10 018 Bye bye.